In this video, you are going to learn top 50 questions of English. Guys, इस वीडियो में आप सीखने वाले हैं 50 ऐसे क्वेश्चंस, ऐसे सेंटेंसेस जो अक्सर हमें कंफ्यूज करते हैं। अगर आप सवाल पूछने में माहिर बनना चाहते हैं, एक्सपर्ट बनना चाहते हैं, तो इस वीडियो को ज़रूर देखिए। मैं एक एक करके सेंटेंसेस को आपके सामने रखता जाऊंगा, आप देखते जाइए। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। कौन कौन थे वहां? Who all were there? Who all were there? आज वो कहां कहां गए? Where all did they go today? Where all did they go today? आपने मुझे कब कब कॉल किया था? How often did you call me? How often did you call me? वो किसके साथ खेल रहा था? With whom was he playing? With whom was he playing? आपने ये किताब किसके लिए खरीदी है? For whom have you bought this book? For whom have you bought this book? वो किसके बारे में बात कर रही थी? About whom was she talking? About whom was she talking? उसने गेंद किसकी तरफ फेंक दिया? Towards whom did he throw the ball? वो किस लिए यहाँ आया है? For what has he come here? For what has he come here? वो मुझसे और क्या चाहता है? What else does he want from me? What else does he want from me? तुम उसके लिए क्या क्या कर सकते हो? What all can you do for her? What all can you do for her? आपने ये गिफ्ट कहाँ से खरीदा? From where did you bought this gift? From where did you bought this gift? वो जगह यहाँ से कितना दूर है? How far is that place from here? How far is that place from here? आप अखबार कितनी देर पढ़ते हो? How long do you read newspaper? How long do you read newspaper? ये रोड कितना लंबा है? How long is this road? How long is this road? तुमने ये किससे चुराया है? From whom have you stolen it? From whom have you stolen it? वो किस मुल्क से आया है? From which country has he come? From which country has he come? अब वो किस मुल्क में रहता है? In which country does he live now? In which country does he live now? ये कार किसके घर से चोरी हुआ है? From whose home has this car been stolen? From whose home has this car been stolen? ये स्टूडेंट्स इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए कहाँ से यहाँ आते हैं? From where all do these students come for learning English here? From where all do these students come for learning English here? आप किस किस के लिए अपना फैसला बदलोगे? For who all will you change your decision? For who all will you change your decision? तुम किस किस के साथ खेलते हो? With who all do you play? With who all do you play? कौन कौन सी कुर्सियां टूटी हुई हैं? Which all chairs are broken? Which all chairs are broken? वो किस किस को पहचान सकता है? Who all can you recognize? Who all can you recognize? आप खिड़की से क्या क्या देख पाए? What all could you see through the window? What all could you see through the window? उसने क्या क्या कहा? What all did he say? What all did he say? तुम्हारे पास क्या क्या है? What all do you have? What all do you have? उसे कहाँ कहाँ जाना चाहिए? Where all should he go? Where all should he go? उसने ये सब कहाँ कहाँ से खरीदी है? From where all has she bought all this? From where all has she bought all this? वो आपके घर कब कब आता है? How often does he visit your home? How often does he visit your home? इस नुकसान के लिए हम किस किस को जिम्मेदार ठहराएं? किस किस को हम ब्लेम करें यानी? Who all shall we blame for this loss? Who all shall we blame for this loss? कौन सा वाला तुम्हारी है? Which one is yours? Which one is yours? उसे कौन सा वाला चाहिए? Which one does he want? Which one does he want? तुम किस मुल्क से हो? यानी तुम किस मुल्क से ताल्लुक़ रखते हो? Which country are you from? Which country are you from? वो किस मुल्क में था? In which country was he? In which country was he? चोर किसके घर में छुपा हुआ था? In whose home was the thief hidden? In whose home was the thief hidden? कब तक तुम यहाँ बैठे रहोगे? Until when will you keep sitting here? Until when will you keep sitting here? कब तक तुम ऐसा ही करते रहोगे? Until when will you keep going on like this? Until when will you keep going on like this? कब तक मैं तुम्हारा इंतज़ार करूं? Until when should I wait for you? Until when should I wait for you? किन लोगों के साथ आप काम करते हो? With which people do you work? With which people do you work? किन लोगों के लिए वो ये लाया है? For which people has he brought it? किन लोगों के बारे में आप बात कर रहे हो? About which people are you talking? About which people are you talking? किस लड़का के भाई के साथ वो स्कूल जाता है? With which boy's brother does he go to school? With which boy's brother does he go to school? वो किस लड़का का भाई है? Which boy's brother is he? Which boy's brother is he? वो कब और कहाँ पैदा हुआ? When and where was he born? When and where was he born? वो कब और कहाँ पकड़ा गया? When and where was he caught? When and where was he caught? कौन किसके साथ था वहां? Who was with whom there? Who was with whom there? कौन किसके खिलाफ ये कह रहा था? Who was saying this against whom? Who was saying this against whom? वो किसके खिलाफ है? Against whom is he? Against whom is he?